Hello, good morning everyone. So I'm Jamil Karanay.
Good morning, ako si Mark Francis Rancap, refrigeration technician.
Good morning, I am John Edson Venta, ETO.
Hi everyone, I am Monito Pino, ETR training for Shuttle
The
Marine.
Shuttle Marine training greatly helps advance future engineers like me by adding more knowledge in understanding of troubleshooting and reading some diagrams. The training covers essential topics that we will surely experience on board.
So, nag-training ako dito sa Shuttle Marine to compare kung sapat na ba yung nalalaman. Nung nag-training ako dito, nalaman ko na marami pa palang kulang. And then napaliwanag nila yung mga dati kong practice na ginagawa sa barko na mali pala.
Dito ko nalaman sa shuttle ang mga bagay na hindi ko alam dati. Nakakala ko tama. Tsaka dapat pala, dito ko nasabi na dapat before ako mag-acto, dapat pala kinuha ko na yung nag-training na ako dito sa Shuttle Marine.
So the instructor, Sir Mike, we are very grateful that he is our instructor because he is very approachable, he is professional, and also never judge us if we don't have any ideas or we have so little idea about it. And the learning environment also is very recommending because it is supportive, especially female like me. There are encouraging questions and this builds confidence on us.
Correct ko at na-correct dahil tinuro ni Sir. Kasi parang na-explain niya lahat. So step by step siya ako magturo and then laman ko rin yung mga function ng ibang parts. So dati hindi ko inaalam yon, basta palit lang ng palit. So ngayon, alam ko na. So sulit yung punta ko dito para mag-training kay Shuttle Marine. And thankful ako kay Sir Mike kasi makagaling. Pang world class yung turo.
I've learned a lot of things, how to troubleshoot those things, things and ideas, techniques that Sir Mike given to us. And every questions that you want to clarify, you got the best answer.
Marami akong nalaman dito na hindi ko pa alam. Akala ko alam ko na. Pero dito na explain yung mga nalaman ko ng mga cadet, ng cadetship ko, ng mga previous training ko na nakokorek nila yung mga maling ginagawa sa may barko. At about sa refrigeration na mga troubleshooting na mga guides, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa shuttle kasi nai-explain nila yung mga possible cause talaga ng problema na mararanasan natin. Kaya thank you sa shuttle. Recommended talaga to sa mga baguhan, sa mga gustong mag-refresh lang ng alam nila. Pero baka pag-training nila dito ay mali pala kahit na matagal na sila pagbabarko. Tapos, recommended din to sa mga gusto ng self-improvement.
So I've learned those things that I'm thinking that I'm doing this the right thing, but now here in Shuttle Marine, I learned that those things is not correct. And then, lastly, thank you for thank you for Shuttle Marine for this opportunity to having this training center in the Philippines. Thank you.